everyone, it's Linda from Colourwerx Designs, and I just wanted to hop on and wish you all a happy new year from our sewing studio here in Palm Desert. And I also want to let you know about our new QuiltAlong. We're going to be making the PaintBox pattern that you see here on the desk. We're starting it on January 28th, and as always, all of our QuiltAlongs are free to join. You just have to join in and grab your pattern. You can get the pattern PaintBox from our Colourwerx shop, and if you use the special code QAL, which stands for QuiltAlong, you'll get 10% off that. You're also going to need a specialty ruler. You might be able to find this ruler at your quilt shop, but it's the Creative Grids CTGR90. It's a quarter square triangle ruler, and the reason I like the Creative Grids version is because it's got that non-slip surface on the back, and this ruler has all these nice measurement lines that make cutting the triangles for PaintBox really super easy. If you're into gathering your materials already, we have a couple fabric kits that you can take advantage of. The one that you see here on our desk is our beautiful jeweled batik version. That's available in our Colourwerx shop at a discounted price for a limited time. Or if you like the one that's on our pattern cover, this is using Krista Quilt's Gridwork fabric collection that just came out. And Krista's got these fabric kits available on her website for a limited time. And if you use the code PAINT, P-A-I-N-T, PAINT, she'll give you a discount on that fabric kit as well. If you want to gather your own materials and not use a fabric kit, then go ahead and start looking at jelly rolls. You'll need 40 2-inch by width of fabric strips, and that's right, 2-inch. We're going to have to cut these down from 2.5 to 2 inches when we get started. So if you're cutting from your stash, think about 2-inch strips. If you want to gather a jelly roll for ease and convenience, just go ahead and gather one, and then you'll need 2 1-yard cuts of coordinating fabric that go with your jelly roll. That's it, and so we hope you'll join us on January 28th when we start the new PaintBox QuiltAlong. Thanks so much.